Well, here's a car that's priced to sell. It's a beautiful car. Wait till you see the interior of this 1996 Chevrolet Corvette Collector Edition LT4 Coupe. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. Sebring Silver on the exterior, beautiful red interior, and it has those fantastic glass tops. Under the hood, you'll find 330 horsepower LT4 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. It's going to be a fun one to drive. Now, factory features include the Collector Edition package, dual power sports seats, electronic climate control, Bose Gold CD cassette stereo, has fog lamps, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, power antenna, tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control. Best of all, it comes with a clean Carfax and is loaded with options, including that very rare red interior. Now, this 1996 Collector Edition LT4 shows just 57,494 miles, and it's in good condition. The car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine, the glass top is very good, and the window sweeps are very good to excellent. The interior, well, take a good look at this interior. It is absolutely beautiful. Shows very good condition seats, very good to excellent shift plate and door panels. Now, addition to this car include the red rear bumper fill-ins, stainless steel exhaust tip covers, and black front and rear mats with the logo embroidery. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net. This is a beautiful car. This won't last long. Just came on our showroom floor. Give us a call at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got new cars coming in every day. And if you hit the notification button when you subscribe, you'll see every new car that comes to the showroom floor. So again, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We make buying online something you can do with ease and with confidence. We ship nationwide, much less expensive than you would imagine. And we're right here in Atlanta, Georgia. So if you're stopping through, come on in and take a look at all of these beautiful cars here at buyavette.net. We hope to hear from you really soon. This is a beauty. Make sure you take it. Call us today on it.